Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So from the starting I will tell something. Please subscribe if you are new in this channel. Here you can learn about pandas, data analysis and so many other things that are going to come. So without anything, let's start. Today's problem is related to like we have to find out the manager's name for which there are at least 5 employees assigned. Okay, so we have to find out a manager who has 5 employees under him working. Okay, so here you can see that is basically it is a straightforward problem. I don't think that it is that much difficult. So as usual I will paste the code and I'll explain it how we are doing it. I hope you'll learn something from here also. This is a very small problem and it will not take much time for you to think also. So we are making a data frame called employee count. We are just grouping by manager ID, because you can see here manager ID is present. So if we are taking by this manager ID, if we are taking employees and finding out which manager ID will have count of greater than 5, then we can basically find out the name, right? So we are taking the manager ID group by and we are counting the ID and we are resetting index as in order to make it as a data frame, correct? Then I hope you understood what is coming from that step. So I think there will be no doubt. Sorry. Then we are making one data frame called managers. So we are taking employee count and we are using the log method. So we are basically mentioning where ID is basically the count of this ID coming from here. So we are basically mentioning if it is greater than 5, then return those employee IDs, and those are the managers who has 5 employees working under him. Okay, so the last step is we are returning managers. We are merging with the original employee data frame. We are not taking all the columns. We are taking only ID and name, because we need ID to join and we need the name as a result. Okay, mentioning left on manager ID. Basically here managers will be there. So manager ID, and right on we are mentioning ID. Basically employee ID column will join this one, and by default it is doing inner join, so you do not need to specify anything, because in managers only manager ID are present, correct? So it will return only manager name only. And basically after getting the result, we are taking the name column and we are mentioning it is in double square bracket so as to make a data frame. Okay, so let us run this thing. And you can see our result accepted. So we'll submit. And so here you can see we are at last, but yeah, the result is accepted. You can optimize this one, and I hope you understood the thought process behind this problem. This was a very small problem and it took very less time, but I hope you learned something, how to approach this kind of problems and how you can improve your thought capacity when you are seeing one problem, and you will understand what to do in real. Okay, so I hope this video helped you in some way and improved your understanding. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and if you watch this video and if you think this video helped you, then please like this video. And yeah, if you have any queries or if you have a better solution than this solution, please comment in the comment section. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.